Hello, this is Fred with Caldwell Sash Company. Today I'm going to be talking about putting spiral balances in an old window and showing you how to install those. You'll need to have the spiral balances. That's how they work. There's two of those per sash. All that holds these in is a screw at the top for each sash. There's a retainer clip that screws to the bottom of each side of the sash, and the screws that go with it. And here's the tool, your tension tool that you put in the balances with. Once you get everything installed, you use these to put tension on the sash to hold it up. The sash we're working with today, it's 1 3/8 inch thick. It's got the 5/8 by 5/8 groove for the balance to go in. The retainer goes to the bottom. The retainer would go down here in the bottom, and then that gets screwed in. And when the balance fits in there, it's like that, and it gives you enough room to pull it down and put it into the retainer clip. So once it's in the retainer clip and you use your tool, it would be like so. This is a parting stop. Older frames have a dado that run the length of them and over the top for your parting stop to fit in. Parting stop is usually 1/2 by 3/4 of an inch. If it's a newer frame, it may not necessarily have the dados on the side, so you would have to adjust your parting stop and make it 1/2 by 1/2 instead of the 1/2 by 3/4 that it is now. And you would have to face nail it to your frame. Okay, I have screwed my first spiral balance into the frame. This is an 1 3/8 thick sash, so you take half of that, which would be 11/16, and put it in the center of the channel. I've got the top hanging down a little bit so I can use my drill so it's not so hard to screw into. And I've got the first one on there. So now I take my sash that I've got the retaining clip screwed into the bottom. This is a top sash. And I put it in over top of the other balance. Then I take the balance on the other side and put it in. Now to hook the spirals into the sleeve, you have to take it all the way up close to the bottom of the sash where you can still get your hook in that little hole. And you see that the tool's hooked in. And I'm going to turn this 3 revolutions and see if that will hold them up or not. This doesn't have glass in it, so it won't take as much tension. And then you take it up into the retainer until you can feel it click. That's what the clip looks like when you have it properly installed. I have the sash in the frame. Again, this doesn't have glass in it, so it's not going to be heavy enough to hold the sash down probably. But that's how it works. They're easy to install, and they're cheap to replace. After you get the top sash in, then you put the parting bead in and repeat the same thing on the bottom sash. Very easy process. The only tools that you need is a screwdriver and the tool that you have to buy with the balances.